Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a baby shower registry on Amazon. The first thing you will need to do is open the Amazon app. Once in Amazon, you're going to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the page. After selecting the profile icon, I want you to tap on your list in the top right hand corner right below buy again. After you have done that, you're going to tap on your friends list. So you're going to select that option. Then from there, you can scroll down a bit and you're going to see baby registry. You're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on that, from here, you can tap on create a baby registry. After you have done that, you can enter your name. So you can enter your first and last name if you want. You can also enter the expected arrival date. So you can enter that right here. After you're finished doing that, so let me do that just for example's sake real quick. After you're finished doing that, you will see the option, is this your first child? You can select that option right there. After you have done that, you can enter where will you like the gifts to be sent, whether you like it to be sent to the address that is currently saved on Amazon, or you like to add a new address, you can do that. Once you're finished, you can scroll down, you can select the gift options, so you can see them right there, and you will also see the option who can see your registry. So would you like it to be public, or would you like it to be only viewable by persons that you choose to share the link with? You have two options, so you can tap right there whether you like it to be shareable or public. Then from there, you can choose whether you would like to get an email whenever a gift is purchased. And I would definitely like that, as that would be a big dopamine shock to get an alert that a gift that I chose have been purchased. So you're going to tap on create my baby registry at the bottom of the page. Let me enter a name right here. Then after you have done that, let me tap on try again real quick. So I'll go back here. I'll enter a last name. After you're finished, let me enter a date again real quick. Then scroll down. Then tap on create my baby registry. Once your registry has been created, I'll be showing you how to add items to the registry and also how to share the registry. So this is the registry page, as you can see right here. And you can add these recommended items if you want. All you'll need to do is tap on add to registry. But now if you would like to add an item while you're browsing, all you'll need to do is tap on the search bar. Let's say, for example, I would like to add a diaper bag. I could simply scroll down. Once you have found a bag of your liking, you'll tap on it just like you would normally do to browse the product. But you're going to be scrolling down, and right below where you see add to cart and buy now, you're going to see the option add to baby registry, and you can tap on that. Once you have tapped on that, it will be added to the registry that you have created. Now to view your registry and to share the link with others, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon once more at the bottom of the page. Then you're going to tap on your list once more. Then you will see your baby registry right there. You're going to tap on that. Then you will tap on share in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on share, you can see your registry link right there. And you can tap on share where you see share with social media. And from there, you can select the social media platform that you like to share it with. Or you can simply copy the link, and from there you can share it via email or so on if you want. And also, if you would like to create a QR code, I've done tutorials on how to do that, as you can create a QR code for your registry using Canva and other platforms. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.